extra are there. Lovely, lovely. Acha, okay. So basically, what I was trying to say is that, I mean, I don't know. Do you think there is a serious political will to reform
Uh,
police?
if you allow me, I will elaborate about the political bill.
Okay, please.
The thing which you say political bill, it is a political fraud. Even 1947, the political fraud had been committed on the people of India.
Yes, yes.
There was a transfer of power from highly afraid people. They were highly afraid of the situation at that point of the time, and they were afraid to be butchered.
Yes,
they were afraid to be. If please allow me to, speak for almost 2 minutes, because then I will explain that background. I am very sure you must be aware of that, because you have handled so many things. So I am very sure that nothing will be new from my side, but I want to bring it on record.
Yeah, sure.
In a conversation with you. So what I am saying, there was one Lord Auchinleck, who was commander-in-chief of the British Indian Armed Forces, and he wrote a letter to Boville, who was the viceroy. He said there is everywhere some kind of revolt-like situation, very close to the 1857, or even more than that, right? And it is happening on account of the trial of Azad Hind Fauj.
Yes.
And if the trial is not dropped, we will be butchered in India.
Yes, yes. Bhagna padega.
So Lord Auchinleck was responsible for dropping off Azad Hind Fauj trial. It was dropped without anything. It was not postponed. It was just dropped. And it was on account of the letter and discussion of Lord Auchinleck with the Viceroy, Lord Boville, right?
Right.
Now, he has not left at that. He created one exit plan. That in a grave situation which we are undergoing, any day situation will arise that we have to run away from India. So, who all will be taken out from India safely? That plan was named as a exit plan.
Exit plan,
Exit plan. And it was submitted to Lord Boville, and it was accepted by him. That reflects the grave fear under which the Britishers were operating.
Yes.
Under that situation, our just politician, our crooked politician, they handshaked with these people and accepted a transfer of power and signed an agreement that Subhash Chandra Bose will be handed over, dead or alive, to them.
Correct.
Now that reflects the kind of the fear under which they were operating, and we people, मैं कहूँगा दुष्ट politician, crooked politician, they accepted the transfer of power, accepting 565 states and 2 dominion. They were so bad people. जिनको हम महान कह रहे हैं, वो महान नहीं है, वो दुष्ट आत्माएं थी. वो इतने दुष्ट थे कि उन्हें चंद महीने पहले का एहसास था कि डायरेक्ट एक्शन डे में जो कोलकाता और आसपास किया गया, जिसमें thousands of the people were butchered, and the things only moved when that Kasai Gopal, he came out and he retaliated with such a thing that they made the life of the Muslims absolutely difficult. Before that, that precisely I am saying. So, even a small child would have understood and appreciated when this country is being divided on the basis of the religion, there will be massacre. May I ask Mr. Bhushan, do you agree with
आई टोटली एग्री, हम पाकिस्तान से मेरे पेरेंट्स आए हैं।
Okay, so then you have that kind of direct experience.
बिल्कुल हाँ।
मतलब
तो
basically
बहुत
you can narrate me n number of stories to substantiate my view. I mean, you must be having n number of stories which must have been told by your parents to you.
बिल्कुल।
So Bhushan Saab, what I wanted to say that even a child who had the experience of the direct action day, it would not have been difficult for him to understand and appreciate when this country would be divided on the basis of the religion. They are bound to be massacred.
बिल्कुल।
Now, may I ask why they did not pay any attention about the safe जो है ना transfer of or safe जो है ना transportation of the Hindus from Pakistan and vice versa from India to Pakistan? Why they did not do it? Why they don't? Then they created a constitution in which 80% of the constitution is coming from Government of India Act 1935. And whatever the 20% which was created by Dr. Ambedkar, that has been violated left, right and center. They created 55 acts against the spirit of that 20%. आप मुझे बताइए बीपी सिंह ने जो है मंडल कमीशन जो है ना, इज इट नॉट मंडल कमीशन इज द वायलेशन ऑफ द स्पिरिट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? May I ask this question, Mr. Bhushan, to you?
On this, I hope I can give a satisfactory answer, but my knowledge says that reservation was to be dropped after 10 years. On the other hand, this has been accentuated further by Shri Mandal Commission.
That you are talking of the reservation. That is 100% correct. I am talking of the Mandal Commission.
I understand.
Whether the Mandal Commission
further reservation.
No. Why the Mandal Commission was framed against the basis, against the fundamental right of the Constitution. That precisely is my point. And this bugger, for his political gain, he did not matter how many people committed suicide.
Yes. टायर वगैरह पहन के जला लिया अपने आप को।
Yeah, nobody bothered. ये बताइए जब 1990 में कश्मीर में जो है नारे लगाए जा रहे थे कि मुझे कश्मीर चाहिए, 1990 में वाई जो है ना नो एक्शन हैज बीन टेकन।
बिल्कुल आज तक नहीं हुआ है।
नहीं, क्यों नहीं हुआ? आई एम सेइंग वेदर देयर विल बी अकाउंटेबिलिटी। 1975 में श्रीमती गांधी ने जो कुछ भी किया वो खुद जाके तो स्ट्रीट पे नहीं किया। दे हैव यूज्ड द पीपल लाइक मी एंड यू।
71 की बात कर रहे हैं ना?
आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ द 1975 to 77 इमरजेंसी।
अच्छा।